Well, howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today we are at the Great Western Furnace, built in 1854 by Bryan, Newell, and Co. This steam cold blast charcoal furnace was built of limestone from the surrounding hills. Brown iron ore came from shallow deposits about 2 miles north. Pig iron was shipped by river or hauled to rolling mills to the east. It closed in 1856 due to lack of ore and to a slave insurrection by the furnace crew. This is in Tennessee, here at Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area. Alrighty folks, Great Western Furnace, Stewart County. So this kind of shows you how it worked. Steam pumps powered a set of bellows that provided a blast of air needed for the fire to reach 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt the ore. Temperatures in the ore box reached 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the ore was melted, a plug was removed at the bottom of the ore box and the molten iron flowed into sand molds to cool. Great Western Furnace was 10 feet wide and 40 feet high inside. And then charcoal, hematite ore, and limestone needed to make iron were carted by hand over the bridge and dumped into the box by slaves. All right, and here is the furnace. It's pretty cool. It's a lot cooler looking than the iron furnace in Shawnee. Now, I don't know if this is a replica or if this is actually something that's the real thing. I'm not too sure. Nonetheless, it's pretty cool. It says something up there, I don't know what it says. It could be a replica. But it's pretty neat. Danger, for your own safety, do not climb on structure.
Did you see the pole in the front?
Yeah.
And then did you see the...
I wonder if this is the real one, or if it's a replica.
I feel like it probably is the real one.
Yeah.
Did you see the center stone? It's got the...
Like the writing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you know what it said?
No, I didn't step back to read it because there was a car coming.
Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Definitely bulkier than the one in the Shawnee. The one in the Shawnee is a replica. It was rebuilt, I think, by the CCC. I could be wrong, though. It could be a different organization, but I believe it was the CCC. And this one could have been rebuilt too, but it's almost like a pyramid, isn't it? It's pretty wild looking. Nice big parking lot too. People probably park on the side of the road here, so there's plenty of ways to get to it and check it out. Pretty cool, huh, folks? Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area is huge. It's so huge, it's in Kentucky and Tennessee. This is the Tennessee side we're in. There's a lot to see here, so I definitely recommend you come out here if you've never been. There's all sorts of camping, all sorts of places to visit. The home place is out here, not too far from here. It's really cool. The bison and elk range is pretty close. And there's all sorts of trails and roads and all sorts of stuff to check out. And here's the thing, it's land between the lakes. There's a lake on one side, Kentucky Lake, and a lake on the other side, Lake Barkley. And there is a lot of water opportunities. Camping, water opportunities, fishing, hunting, you know, during that time. Just a lot to do here. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.